Okay, today is May 21st. It's a pretty tough video for me to make, but I have to make it. So, the grass was too burned up to use. So, as you can see, I'm re-thatching it, and I'm gonna take some cow manure right there, seeds, and some perlite mixed together, and do a section at a time. So as you can see, I stopped right here, and you can still see seeds but where I've watched videos, they've said, in blogs, they've said mix the manure and the seeds for the best and quickest outcome. So you can see, like here in the new grass, it's too burned. So you can't see it good on camera, but it's really burned. So I've accepted we're probably not gonna make it to the party, but I'm gonna redo this section today and this section. So I'm about to thatch this section right here, up and down. And then I'm gonna, every time I get some from this store, I'm gonna do another section. I'm so hot and I'm so tired and I'm so hurt. I probably am not making any sense, but let me see if I can go out some. Well, that's just what I'm about to do. And I'm so tired. So as you're gonna see, I'm gonna do one line and then I rake up the thatch instead of thatching the whole section and then thatching it up. So I'll show you how. I haven't always done it like this, but I find this to be the best way to do it. So. I'm gonna bring you closer so you can see. I think I'm gonna start here. I'm gonna start here that way, and that I'm gonna leave. Let me go see. I don't want to come too far out. Maybe I'll start here. So start here. But you see where it's burned right here. There's a lot of sections here burned. And I really need to get these up quick. So I think I'm gonna start here. Back. So I'm here, back that way. I'll show you a row and then I'm going to finish. So that line of demarcation. Okay, so you could see, you'll see how I thatch rake. I don't even thatch, rake. I thatch one row, rake it. Thatch a row, rake it. So I'm going to show you a couple times. I'm not going to do this whole section. I'm just going to show you a few lines and then I'll come back when I'm finished. I'll be back. Where's the wood? So it comes from the edge, so that it doesn't spray side. But I have to learn how to do that first. Okay, watch this here. Watch this. I should have had this from the beginning. Tip number 243. That old spreader that I was using is probably 15 years old. The new, get the new stuff. It's no comparison.